Hello, everybody. Here we go. We're looking at gold. Gold's at the low of yesterday, and yesterday it went to the all-time new high. It broke up to 2954, the all-time high for gold, and then it kind of went down. And now it's at where it was yesterday, was a good buy. And what we're looking at, if we change the time frame, we're looking at this line right here where it's been touching for a week. And every time it hits this line, it's been going back up. As you see, it dipped down a little bit further right here, but then it came right back in. It just went down here. We were watching it since the start of the day, and now it just went up $5. We were saying to grab it while it's hot. The market hasn't even opened up yet. It's only 6:16. But I like gold to get at least up to this area. This is the area where it's looking like it wants to be. In between 2945 and 2940, and we're all the way down in the 29 area. So that's looking good. It's a pullback. Now we gotta, if we get this green candle right here, we got 12 minutes left. It looks like it should start rocketing up. Hopefully that happens. Why do we believe that's going to happen is because we're looking, and the unemployment came out today and it was bad again. So our economy is just wrecked right now. We're in a recession that just started like a month ago. Every time they predict something is worse than expected with the interest rates and worse than expected on the unemployment. So we're always hearing bad news, which bad news means that gold should be going up. That's why gold's at an all-time high. And then in the Forex market, every day we look, it's not normal. Like just in the last month, like the USD is really losing all the time. Like it's losing the euro, it's losing the GBP, it's losing the JPY. Like every trade is losing. It's losing bad to Canada. It's losing bad to odd. So, and how do we know it's losing? Because euro is in the first place, USD is in the second place. If USD is winning, it would be negative, but it's positive. And then right here, USD is in the first place, JPY is in the second place. That means that JPY is winning because it's negative, just like the CAD is winning, it's negative. So these are all bad signs for our economy. But we can win money because we're trading gold. Gold is good to trade when the economy is wrecked like this. People are very scared and they want to make money, so they turn their attention to gold. And let's look at metal mines. And we see kind of why this is the weekly unemployment. It's up more than it thought. Gold right now is down for the whole day because it hit an all-time high at 2954 and now it's at 2928. Yesterday's where we started out and got it going up. Here goes right here. Here goes thing if you guys want to read an article on it, but gold hits record high as Trump's tariff concerns mount. So everybody's scared of these tariffs. And this is what I was just saying, that gold is a safe haven in times of uncertainty. That's why it's gained 12% so far this year. So it's really gaining and gaining. And so it's a good thing. So like the stuff that people say, like the president affects, like this report is saying right here. Since taking office in January, he has tariffs 10% on China imports and 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum. And then this part right here, this is what he's been saying on the news every day. He's been talking about that the guy that is running Ukraine is a dictator, but everybody knows the guy that's running Russia is a dictator. So I don't know why he would say this guy is, because he got voted in basically. So who knows? But let's be just careful about what we're doing, knowing that, you know, we can't really count USD out. Like we could take USD down on the Forex, but then it could kind of like ricochet back up. I think the best bet would for us to just be careful with trading Forex right now. And I think our best bet is to trade gold in US30 today. When this candle was going up, it kind of stopped. And what we want is for it to break through this one right here and get back at least into this area. Gold is definitely that safe haven, but I wonder why it took this dive here. It was just going straight up. And then we see how it's just been taking a dive since 2:30 in the morning. It's been going down. Let's see what time this did this. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's like when Europe opens up. So when Europe opened up yesterday, also it went down to this little area and went back up. Let's see, what is this right here? That's two. Huh. So it looks like when Euro opens up, it's been taking a big drop when Euro opens up, huh? So Euro opened up, it dropped right here, went down. Then Euro opened up last night. It dropped down also right here, went down. Now USA is going to open up. Every time USA opens up, it's been going up. So let's view what's going to happen here. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been going straight up. Buy, buy, buy. We should be winning money on this too. Yeah, the bot's been really phenomenal. This last candle has 4 minutes. It was a green candle. It went all the way up, and now it's all the way back down where the red candles ended at. So let's get this gold green candle going back up. Let's go up, 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 up. You know, we're looking at the matrix. The matrix is telling us to buy. But like right here on the 4 hours, 2 hours is telling us to sell 1 hour. See, it's really telling us to sell right now. All right, we got 4 more minutes. I like gold to buy. I like US30 to buy. US30 is right here on this little purple line that is really like avoiding to go under. We keep on seeing when it goes under this purple line, it shoots back up. This purple line is a bad area for it to be in. Here it's going up, up. Let's go. Let's get up. Here's gold. Keep on going up. Got a couple more minutes for the market to open up. Let's see what happens here. I like Apple to go up too. Apple, if it starts down here, I like this to go up too. Apple, because Apple, I was reading about Apple releasing a new phone that's like cheaper than the regular expensive iPhone. And they're thinking with that the market should let's see here. So a lower priced iPhone 16e with AI features. So they released this like yesterday. Cheapest phone just got more expensive with this. So the the Apple looks good too because Apple has some new phone that's released. Anytime they release a new phone, I really like it to go up. So I'm looking for Apple to go up. We just seen it was way down. Now it just went back. It was just right here pre-market. Now it'd have been a good buy, but now it's all the way up where it left off yesterday. So not so much of a good buy. And it's going over what it was yesterday. So people are buying that stock like crazy right before the market opens up. Well, here we are with US30. We got in down here. It's already up. We got in gold down here and it's already up. So both our trades are looking really good right now. We got 1 more minute till the market opens up. We're going to watch what happens. Let's see here. And it's amazing because the same spot that we got gold yesterday is the same spot it's at right now. We got it right around here when it hit underneath here. So we got it at like a better rate today. All right, the market just opened. And let's see if we get this green. We're up right now. So we're up about $6. Might be even good to get out of that. Let's see, US30 just hit that purple. Let's have this US30 go up. Come on now. This might be a good area to get out of gold right here already. Maybe get another trade. Let's see. It's going up, up, up. Come on. We want to defeat this little area right here because this could be an area that turns into a resistance. But if it blows past this, it's really a good thing. Get it. Let's get it, get it, get it. Here it is going up, up, up. Let's see where we're at right here with US30. And let's look at the map on US30. A lot of red popping up. We might want to get out of US30. We already got a little bit of profit. We might just want to get out of US30. Gold is still going up. So US30. Let's go, US30. Here we go with the gold. We're winning big. We're winning big on gold right now. Here it is on US30. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of US30 because I don't even like it. I got out of US30 with profit. I got in down here. I got out. I'm good. It might keep on going up. That's great if it does, but I just don't like how I'm looking at this map and everything is popping up red. Walmart's 4% down. I'm saying I'm done with US30. PNG down 2%. I'm good. So I came in, got what I wanted out of US30 and got out. So look at US30. It went up here and now it's coming back down. Just be careful with US30. I hope you got out when I got out. Here we go with gold. We got money on gold. It can keep on going up. We can get more money. It's just the market's really not moving. We have bad news with the unemployment and some of the other stuff it was saying. But gold looks good because gold is a safe haven at times of uncertainty, and our government, they're saying, is the most uncertain it's ever been in the United States. So we'll see. We got this right here, though. We got gold, you guys. Hopefully, everybody got in gold down here at 2924 when we said, and now it's at $10 up, man. You guys are making a lot of money. If you guys have one lot on there, you made about $1,000 right now. So if you had 10 cents on it, you made $100. You're looking good. I might want to get out right here. This looks like, these two candles overtook this one right here. This might be a good place to get out. And maybe it falls back down and then you can get in again. But I'm still in, riding and rocking and rolling. I might get out right here when it hits this EMA. That's what I think I'll probably do. And there it is. It hit it. Oh, I got a sell indicator. I'm out. I'm going to get out of that trade. Let's see. Yeah, I got out. I got out of the gold because I got this sell indicator. I don't know if it's gonna bust through this sell indicator, but usually, usually when the sell indicator hits like that, it's gonna basically come back down. So it was good. We won, $10 profit on gold. So I don't know. It's giving us a sell indicator. So let's be careful right here. If it goes back down, I want to get in again in this area. But right now, it's just at a place where we won our money and we won our money in US30. So let's just be very careful about that. Here goes the US30. US30 is doing really good and it went way up, like we said. So we got our two winning trades that happened really good for us. So we're doing great right now. We are doing excellent day. Yeah, US30 is going up. The reason why we just want to take our profits out of US30 and not keep on going up with it. Bro, stop calling. I'm on a academy thing. Okay. So it's a really good one. Good one. So US30 did go all the way up here, but why don't I want to stay in US30? Because we looked at this and in the hour we see that almost everything is red. We knew that Apple, we liked Apple. I was saying that we should get into Apple. Apple looks like a really good trade right now because it has the new iPhone that's cheaper. And we've seen that, once the market opened up, Apple went way up. So we had that also. So we talked about 3 trades, all of them won. So we're looking really good. Hopefully you guys got in early because we took trades at like probably today, like we took trades at like 6:11. We took our first trade gold. And then at 6:15, we took our second trade US30. And now we're at 6:38 and we already cashed out on gold in US30. And I didn't take myself Apple, but we said to take Apple, and Apple, we seen what just happened. It shot up. If you just got on a call, we went to like iPhone, we looked at the news and it said that they had that new phone. So we love that. It's cheaper, it's more powerful. So that's pretty cool. Look, it's $599. When's the last time you seen an Apple brand new phone for $599? So that's why, Apple just came out with a new phone out of nowhere and it basically brought the stock up and we seen it just shoot up really high right here. But it did hit what? It hit this resistance we put up here, which was a support before for an old trade. And now we've seen it hit and it went back down. So this was a lot of money right here. If it goes back down this area, we should buy again. With US30, it wants to stay right here. It's cradling this purple support line, and there's not good news on the stocks. There's not good news in America right now. So we got our money out of this and we got out really quick. See, that's why I told you not to stay in because now it's like would be losing money for us. With gold, we had it all the way down here. It went up $12. And now we see this sell signal. And so we're being very careful right here because later on in the day, I do want it to go all the way up here. But what we were seeing on the matrix is that it says strong buy for the day, for the week, for the month. 4 hours is telling us this is a good buy. But then when we get to like the 2 and like 1 hour right here, it's telling us to sell. So this thing might go down a little bit more for an hour, but then after an hour, 2 hours, it looks like it's going straight up and it has smooth selling for strong buys for the day. So just be careful. Just know that gold hit an all-time high last night at 2954 and did really good. And today, you guys can call me and I want to help you set everything up and get everything rocking and rolling. Let's make sure that by next week that you're really trading and know what's going on with your account. Let's go over what I made yesterday for us. I spent a lot of time, so I just want to bring that up for you. I spent a lot of time on this document right here, and let's go over it before we get off this call. But a lot of people always ask me, like, what do I know what to trade depending on how much money I have in my account? Well, this is it right here. This is going to tell you exactly what to trade. And I sent out the document in the WhatsApp, and it's in the back office in the academy too. So here we go. If we are trading just regular trading with everything, this is all the trades. If you have $100, you should be trading 0.01 lot sizes on everything. $500, 0.05, $1,000, 0.1, $5,000, 0.5, $10,000, 1.0. $50,000, 5 at a time, 100,000, 10 at a time, and it goes up from there. Now I'm going to tell you how that works out for you. So if you're trading gold and you're trading 0.01 lots, that means every time gold moves $1, you're going to make $1. Okay. If you're trading 0.1, every time gold moves $1, you're going to make $10. So today it moved $12 when we were in. So we should have made what? We should have made $120 today if we were trading 0.1 lot. Right. So if we're trading one lot and it moved $12, that means that we should have made $1,200. If we were trading 10, that means we should have made $12,000. So that's how this works. That's gold. And then right here, you can look at an example, and the math, happens for you if you understand how to put it in a calculator. All right, let's look at US30. So let's say we did US30 and we're trading for 0.01. Well, every time the trade goes up $1 on US30, you make 10 cents. So let's say $1, you're going to make $10. So you see, let's go back and see how much did the US go up, US30. So now it's way down. I'm glad you guys got out. But right here where I told you to get in and it went all the way up here, that's how many dollars? That's 458, and it went up to 501. So that means, let's just say it went up $50. So for 50 bucks, if you were trading right here, you would have made $5 at 0.01. You would have made $5. For 50 bucks, if you were trading 0.1, then you made 50 bucks. Okay. If you're trading 50 times 100, you made, or 50 times 10 is $500. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Bitcoin. Bitcoin moves really super fast. So for every dollar, Bitcoin is moving. If you're at 0.01, it's moving 1 cent. So if you're at 1 in Bitcoin, let's look at how Bitcoin moves though. You'll see. So if you're trading one lot for $1, Bitcoin is going up $1 at one lot. So let's just see, if we look at Bitcoin. So here's Bitcoin. Let's just say we got in Bitcoin at 5:45 in the morning, and we took it all the way up here. That's $727 that Bitcoin went up. So $727 that Bitcoin went up. And so you can see how fast Bitcoin's going up. So for that $727, if we were on one lot, we would have made $727 on Bitcoin. All right, this is Euro USD. Euro USD moves different. What you're depending on is for the fifth zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just moving up one or down one. That's where everything's based off of. So just that fifth zero, if you're on one lot, it's going to be $1. $1. So if you're doing 1 cent, then it's going to move 1 cent all the way to the fifth. So let's see. This moves slower. Euro USD moves slower. So let's look at it on Euro USD. And let's bring this up here. All right, so Euro USD. And we're right here. And we're seeing the number 1.04540. Now it just moved 3 up, 4 down. So if you trade a lot on Euro USD, you're gonna make a lot of money. Like just right here, let's look at the pips. So just if we got in right here on this area and it went down to here, that's how much? 47. That's 47. So just this little move right here, if we're on one lot, we would have made $47. So if we're at high lots and it moves, we're going to make a lot of money, right? But usually if you're just at a small lot, it's not really doing too much for you. Here we go with the calculation on the bottom. And then we got the last one that I did Apple, because I want you guys to see the Apple moves way different than everything else. So Apple, on the 1 cent of Apple, then it's going to move $1 if you're on one lot. If you're on a penny, it's going to move 1 penny. So you're looking at that last number right here. So let's look at what that looks like for Apple. Let's go to Apple. And so if we got into Apple when we wanted to right here, this one, it opened up and it went way up here. And so that went 178. It went $1.78. So 178, if we were on one lot, we would have made $200 by this move right here. So we see that what moved the most out of everything? What moved the most out of everything? Well, now this drop right here is crazy. I'm glad everybody got out of US30 when I did. Because I was trying to tell you, I looked at this map and I said, oh, no, I seen the red bloodbath going on. So, but this right here, if we had, we got in right here, let's just say we're out right here, this moved 108 pips. Or no, 1,000. It moved 1,081 pips right here. So that would have basically, if we had a one lot, we would have made 1,000 right there. This one right here, how much would we have made? Well, we got in down here when we got on the call at 6:15 and went all the way up here when I got out. So if we had, that's 14. So we had one lot right here, then 14. So we made $1,400 on this. So gold actually moved the best for us right now over this little time frame. And now Bitcoin, if we look at Bitcoin, it might even have moved more. Let's just go up here and look if it went right here. Nope, it's only 5. So gold is the #1 mover right now. Mover and groover. Apple, I hope you guys got into Apple. I didn't get it, but I told you guys to. So is there any questions? You guys, we could hop on Zoom throughout the day if you guys need help, putting in more money or trading on a demo account, understanding how to do that on liquid charts. I want to help you guys so you guys can start making this good money because we're winning every day. Let's keep on winning. Let's keep on making money. Does anybody have any questions or anything?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I'll call you with my question. I'll call you when the Zoom's over.
Okay, no problem. All right, look at this right here, you guys. Remember I told you when the bot sent this signal right here, it said to sell. That's why I said get out, get out, get out, because it's going to go down. Why? Because I believe in the bot. And look what happened. The bot, it went down. So it was up here at 2,940, and now it's at 2,935. So if you didn't get out, you lost like $5 of your profit that you would have had when you got on the call. And I told you guys to take this at 6:15. You guys have a good day. God bless you guys. Hopefully you guys are winning. There's no reason why you shouldn't win. If we're winning every day on the call, you guys should be winning. You know what I'm saying? I even on this call right here, I told you guys, it went up. I said, let's get out because this does not look good. It looked like a winner until everything started looking bad on here. And if you're like, just to be honest, like let's say you're in this trade still right here, I wouldn't mind getting a trade right here to go up. I kind of like it from right here to go up. It's outside the Bollinger Band. It looks like it should go back up. It just took a dump right here because, you know, it was looking bad. But now when we look, Apple's kind of steaming up. Microsoft is trying to do its thing. And, you know, this Walmart though, man, I'll be careful. Don't trade US30. Stay away from that. Okay. Let me tell you another one you could trade when we get off this call is gold. I would like gold to get another gold trade in between 2932 and 2928, somewhere in here or a little bit lower. Every time it hits this, it goes back up. So we see that we have a resistance right here, and it hit this and it went back down. Now it's going to have to build up more steam to get through this resistance, and then it's going to probably get stuck up here and go back down, and then it might go to an all new high today and tomorrow, because this is the all-time high of gold. It never been this high before in the history of gold, 2954, and it went there yesterday. So I knew it was going to have to breathe, but look what happened yesterday. It went down here before, and then it had to shoot back up. So, you know, and then it went down here before the day before, and it shot back up. So the whole thing is, if something happens 3 days in a row, it's like somebody telling you, you know, I'm gonna get my hair cut every Tuesday, and this is Tuesday, and this is the next Tuesday. They got their hair cut again. So it's like, believe whatever it says it's gonna do, and it keeps on doing 3 days in a row. So look for this trade in here again to go back up. If you want to take a long trade, you can get in right here to go back up, because it might shoot up even right here. If you're going to stay in the trade for the day, it might, you know, be up here a little bit later on today. So I'm going to wait for it to come back down here, and then I'm going to take it up again. The reason why I got out is because I got this little sell thing right here, but it might shoot back up. But we could have actually took this sell right here, but I didn't want to take the sell because it's just going straight up. And I knew it was going to breathe, and we could have made money like that, but we don't want to be in a trade where it says it's going down and it just shoots back up. And like right now, it's already shooting back up. We would have had to have got out right here. Now it looks like it's going to blow past this, the momentum that it has going up right now. All right, you guys, God bless. Have a great day.